How to connect mustache to beard, 8 tips and tricks. Do you have trouble connecting to your stache to your beard? You're not alone, a lot of gents face that difficulty too, but the good news is that there are a handful of tips and tricks you can learn to help you fix that problem. You can connect your mustache to your beard by using beard grooming products, being patient, potentially stimulating growth, adopting long mustache styles, and taking proper care of your health and fitness. However, these remedies won't always solve the problem, especially if it is due to genetics. If there's an embarrassing gap between your beard and mustache, this post is for you. Stick around, and you'll find useful suggestions that can help you fix the problem. Some tips and tricks are based on common sense, thus anyone can apply them to get results. However, some solutions are extreme and not recommended for most people unless expressly advised by a qualified dermatologist. Therefore, I have not included those examples here. What to do to connect your mustache to your beard? Right off the bat, I strongly advise against perhaps taking recommendations that involve medical procedures or ingesting vitamins with a pinch of salt. I do not recommend undergoing microneedling, taking minoxidil, or any other medication for beard treatment. These drastic options should only be considered if it is absolutely necessary for you to connect your beard and mustache. Although, I cannot figure out what that absolutely necessary reason would be. So, what do I recommend? Here are 8 tips and tricks you can use to fix this supposed embarrassment and then become proud of your beard style. 1. Give your stache and beard some time. Think of your man-mane like a business. It takes time and patience to grow and yield meaningful profits. For many gents, growing a beard to an appreciable level can take anywhere from 3 to 8 months. And that comes with proper care too. Don't let what you see on the media make you lose patience. It took several months and a lot of effort for that model to have the perfect beard style you adore. Don't just look at the results and forget the process it took to get there. The best you can do while growing your mustache and beard is to give them a boost with some great products. I recommend using BBS Grow Serum Oil. The oil is formulated with a fine blend of powerful ingredients, including jojoba oil, MCT oil, Jamaican castor oil, vegan squalane, and peppermint essential oil to accelerate the growth of your beard and mustache. It also works for all skin and hair types. Regular use will fill in patches. It also thickens, softens, conditions, and increases existing hairs. This is your best alternative to ingesting beard pills and putting in Rogaine, minoxidil, and other supplements for beard growth. Keep in mind that using this, or any other product, for that matter, will not solve your problem overnight. Expect to see results between 1 to 3 months, and results will vary between individuals. As the saying goes, patience is golden. So, if you've just started growing a beard, and it is not connecting with your mustache, just give it some time while you use the right products. You can't rush these things, you kind of need to let things flow the way they're supposed to. 2. Keep growing your cheek, chin, and upper lip hairs. Don't fret if you've given your face fuzz some time and it's not connecting. Not all mustaches connect with beards on their own, and yours could just be one of them. However, it is a good thing to let the hairs on your cheek, chin, and upper lip grow for a couple months. In time, and with the help of waxes and balms, you will eventually be able to use the extra length to cover up any gaps. Your beard barber can help you style your beard and mustache to hide patches or gaps cleverly. So, just let your facial hairs continue to grow until they fill in. Here are 2 great waxes you can use for styling your mustache and beard to fill in gaps creatively. The Firehouse Mustache Wax is one good quality mustache wax that provides excellent hold. Unlike other waxes that tend to melt under heat, this heavy-duty beard and mustache wax can withstand all weather conditions. It is most suitable for men with brown to black beard hair. Mud Stache from Boss Man is another great beard and mustache wax. Its superior hold makes styling and taming easy. This is an excellent choice if you don't want any scents in your nose all day. It is free of any type of fragrance. In addition, because the wax is tint-free, you can use it on any beard color, including blonde, red, white, gray, black, and brown. 3. Use beard makeup. Another cool trick you can try is using beard makeup to give the appearance of a fuller beard. This beard grown pen by Follicle Booster is one that I highly recommend. It fills and temporarily restores all gaps in your beard. If you've struggled with self-confidence because of the imperfect shape of your beard and mustache, this pen might be your greatest grooming acquisition yet. The pen creates quite an impressively realistic look, even at close range. What if you sweat or spill water on your beard? Will the filler wash off? There's absolutely zero chance of the color coming off because it is both sweat and waterproof. Thus, there's no fear of any potentially embarrassing moment, especially in public. If you are an artist or know you have a flair for drawing, using this pen will be a walk in the park. But don't worry, even if you don't know how to draw, the facial hair enhancer comes with an ebook and video guide to show you exactly how to use the beard filler pen. 4. Grow a long mustache to cover the gap. Some mustache styles take time to grow, but when they eventually do, you can use them to cover any gap and give the appearance of a beard-stache connection. Some of these styles include cowboy mustache. This mustache style is longer at the sides and shorter in the middle. The sides grow really long and can be styled and trained to look as if it connects to your beard. Handlebar mustache. The handlebar is styled to curve upward and away from your beard. So, it typically doesn't connect to your beard. However, you can grow your mustache this way and curve it downward instead. Walrus mustache. This option is perfect for covering gaps between mustaches and beards because it is typically styled straight down. You need to cut or trim the hairs just above your upper lip line to keep it neat and attractive. Typically, these mustache styles are considered old school, especially the first two. However, because you want to achieve a specific result, you will need to groom each a bit differently. Instead of letting the mustache grow outward and away from your beard, as it is typically styled, you should brush and comb it downward to meet your chin and cheek hair. One other challenge with these mustache styles is that hair can easily get into your mouth. You will need to trim them properly to prevent them from getting into your mouth or having food stuck in them. That's not a particularly attractive sight, nor is it all that comfortable. Regular training and styling will ensure that the stache eventually stays connected to your beard. Although waxes can provide styling properties, if you choose to go down the path of letting your mustache grow long, a balm will be most suitable. Apart from helping to provide medium hold, balms are leave-in conditioners, making them excellent for combating itchiness, stiffness, and other problems associated with long mustaches. A particularly excellent beard and mustache balm I recommend is Beard Bold XL by Delta Genesis. Its blend of selective ingredients will help you achieve volume and stimulate faster hair growth. 5. Take good care of your body. Many men don't realize this, but there's a strong connection between your health and how well, or not, your mane grows. A healthy body promotes healthy mustache and beard growth. If you are not taking good care of your body, it can't perform optimally. If you've ever heard that you are what you eat, believe it. Your beard will be unhealthy if you eat junk food, regardless of whether or not you come from a lineage of hairy men. You can use the best beard grooming products available, but your beard and mustache will only reflect the condition of your overall health if your body, and by extension, your skin, is in poor health. Before you blame your mustache for not connecting to your beard or growing as you would like, make sure you take care of your body and health properly. Here are some things you can do to improve your chances of growing a healthier and fuller beard and mustache. Cut back on alcohol and smoking. I know many guys won't want to hear this, but it's the cold truth. Alcohol and smoking aren't just bad for your health, they significantly reduce your testosterone levels. And, just in case you don't know, testosterone is responsible for the growth of facial hair. Excessive consumption of alcohol can mess with the cells in charge of testosterone production. The temporarily relaxing effects of alcohol can actually interfere with testosterone synthesis. Also, the stress hormone, known as cortisol, is triggered by alcohol and can also reduce testosterone synthesis. It is necessary to discuss the science aspect of growing a beard because it can help us understand how excessive alcohol consumption can adversely affect beard growth. Shed off some weight. Obesity can impact beard growth in a not so good way. Too much fat in your body converts testosterone into the female hormone known as estrogen. The effect? Lower testosterone and poor beard growth. Exercise more regularly. This is a no-brainer. If excessive fat can inhibit proper hair growth, working out more regularly to lose weight or keep fit can promote healthy beard growth. For better results, focus on lifting weights or heavy objects and equipment, sprinting, not necessarily marathons, and routines that involve the legs and lower body. Don't forget to include longer rest periods of about 120 seconds between reps. Taking long breaks is great for your overall health. 6. Try to stimulate hair growth. You can do some simple things for potential stimulation of beard or mustache growth. Although this trick involves increasing blood flow to areas on your face where there is no hair, it doesn't require any medical procedures. Here's how to potentially stimulate growth. Get a high-quality boar's bristle beard brush like this one and brush your mustache and beard in the direction you want. Another trick is to use a dermaroller on the affected areas. This particular dermaroller comes with a growth serum to increase your chances of stimulating growth. Note that using a dermaroller is not the same as undergoing microneedling. 7. Embrace your beard the way it is. Many people won't like this suggestion because it doesn't solve the problem practically. But trust me, this option will save you a lot of worries, unnecessary worries, I might add. Give your beard and mustache the best care possible just the way they are. If your mustache is getting out of hand, trim or style it using some good quality mustache wax mentioned earlier. There are several things you can do to tame and train your mustache, but making peace with how it is naturally can open you up to less stress and other great choices. If your beard just doesn't connect regardless of your efforts, your genetics may not support it. Instead of overly stressing about it, embrace your uniqueness and be proud of it. However, if that is too difficult for you to accept, you could also try this last suggestion. 8. Choose a beard without mustache style. Shave off your stache. Don't let a small strip of face fuzz steal your happiness and self-confidence and make you feel less like a man. There are several beard styles you can wear that don't require a mustache. For example, the soul patch, chin puff, chin strap, and goatee are all cool and trendy choices. If you are unsure which style will fit you the most, ask your local beard barber, and you'll be pleasantly surprised at how elegant you can look without one. Also, most of these styles are a lot easier to maintain. Conclusion. Connecting your mustache to your beard can be as easy as waiting for the hairs to grow and fill in naturally. However, that may not be so easy for most of us. Other alternatives include using simple beard filler pens, hair growth oils, and covering up gaps with longer mustaches. If none of these tricks work for you, you can always shave off your stache. There are some great looking styles that don't require mustaches. However, if removing your mustache is something you can't even imagine, perhaps embracing your beard the way it is will be your best option. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. Thanks for watching.